off to Nikki. She's in Lakewood, Florida. Nikki, welcome to the Rick Edelman Show.
Thank you. We recently refinanced our mortgage. As a result, we've been getting numerous offers from insurance companies, to have a life insurance policy
to pay off that mortgage in case you die, and you want to know whether you should.
That's correct.
Yeah, it's really annoying, isn't it, Anderson, that when people get a mortgage, they immediately get that name sold to insurance companies, who then hire insurance agents and telemarketers to pitch them. Hey, we heard you just got a mortgage, so how about buying a life insurance policy to pay that mortgage off if you're hit by a bus?
Right, and those policies are usually fairly attractive from an initial sales pitch perspective, because you're thinking, wow, yeah, what would happen if I were to pass away? Would my family be able to keep those payments going? And so by having life insurance specifically for this mortgage, then I'm taken care of.
Yeah, it seems like a great sales pitch,
But these policies are declining policies, or what we call declining term policies, which means they're good for as long as you have the mortgage, but the value of that policy goes down because your mortgage is going down.
Yeah, you're buying life insurance where the death benefit decreases over time. And if anything, due to inflation, Nikki, you want the benefit to rise over time. The policies are also ridiculously expensive. In other words, if you were just to go to buy an ordinary term life policy, you would pay substantially less than to buy a mortgage policy. And I'll give it one final point on this, Nikki, which is really important. If you die, wouldn't you rather give that money to your spouse and children instead of to the mortgage lender?
Definitely.
So that's the problem with mortgage insurance, is that when you die, the money goes to the mortgage lender. I'd rather give the money to my spouse and let my spouse decide what to do with the cash. Maybe they'll just keep making the regular monthly payments. Maybe they don't have to pay off the mortgage in full. So it's a bad deal. If you need life insurance, and maybe you do, then you should definitely explore with a financial advisor that question. Do you need life insurance? How much life insurance do you need? What kind of life insurance do you need? And let's shop around to make sure that policy is as inexpensive as we can possibly make it. And you'll discover that mortgage life ain't it. It's nothing but a bad sales pitch.